This can work as a perfect guide for coming to Evolve back over here. You will know what you can expect over here and what else are in store. All the hidden gems are explored in this video. So stay tuned and look forward. We'll start with the reception area over here. This is the last point where all your petrol, diesel vehicles can come up to. Beyond this, no vehicles are around. Only electric buggies are there. So your car can drop you here and we go inside the reception area. Here you can see the beautiful reception area. This is the sitting lounge, and here you will get an experienced manager or the executive who will help you out over here. They'll also explain you at the start only what are the different activities you can do, the experience you can enjoy over here. So stay tuned for all your experience when you come over here. Also, when you come over here, they'll serve you with some amazingly freshly brewed cold coffee. So you can have a refreshment with cold towel and that cold coffee. It's the perfect one after coming from a long journey when you reach Coorg. The experienced manager or the executive will help you around the property also. They'll show you around everything. Also, they'll WhatsApp you all the details, the menus and all the things you need, especially when you are around the property, because it's a 35-acre big property to be explored. The whole property is 350 acres, but this is 35 acres. So my executive is Bhagyashri. I will make you meet her. So usually welcome drinks में juice होता है, but for a change we've got cold coffee in coconut milk. So I'm going to try it. I'm not a coffee person, guys. Mind it. Wow, guys. Wow.
I hope this is the first visit to our property, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll just introduce myself. My name is Bhagyashri. Oh. So I'll just orient you about the resort and the facilities for people. So this Evolve by Coorg is a coffee, spice and a plantation themed resort now. So we are in the middle of 300 acres of property, in which 35 acres is our resort.
Wow.
And this property was bought by our present chairman's grandfather in the year 1926 from the British.
Okay.
Later on in the year 1994, they actually planned to build the resort with a very small way, with few cottages here and there. But at present, we have 63 cottages right now, which is being spread out of 35 acres. And in the beginning of the resort, we have this river Kaveri flowing. Just a 5 minutes walk from main gate. You can take a walk in the evening time or in the morning time like that. So these are all the coffee plantation which you can see here. And this creeper is a pepper creeper here.
We have booked the Lily Pool Villa, and for a complete tour of the villa, please check out Evolve Back Coorg Part 1. Welcome to Evolve Back Lily Pool Villa. Come, I'll show you around. You can see I'm sitting in a buggy. It's an electric buggy because this is a vehicle-free zone, and we are taking a tour of the property and giving you guys also the tour you need. So guys, this is the main restaurant, Granary. You can get all-day dining plus your buffet, breakfast, lunch, dinner, a la carte, everything. It's a very huge restaurant. I'll show you around. Namaskar. So this is the huge restaurant I'm talking about. You get all the buffet spreads over here. So from the Granary Restaurant, you can see there's a way to go down. Here you can go and see the amazing main pool area. There is a conference room over here. You can see, and guys, there's the bar, and there is a beautiful pool over here. It's a very big pool with 3 feet depth at the start, going up to 5 feet. I'll show you the view from the edge, which is very nice. You will surely enjoy that view. So if you go by the edge, there is the view of the paddy fields over there, grasslands. You can see that. And that is the whole pool. And upstairs is the Granary Restaurant. So you can have amazing breakfast, lunch, dinner, sitting by the windows over there and eating amazing food. You'll have this beautiful view. I'll put in a photograph to show you what my view was while I was sitting by that table. Here now we are going to the Beehive Center reading area and all. I'll show you around. But look at the property, guys. It's all green always. So the Granary Restaurant over here is a multi-cuisine kind of a restaurant. You get all kind of meals over here. But you can choose with other restaurants too. So there is a Plantain Leaf which is ahead. It's a pure veg restaurant which has more of South Indian kind of a food, which has a very traditional touch. I'll put in a clip right now. And also there is a Peppercorn restaurant which is for dinners. It's a 6-course set meal. I'll also show you that restaurant now. So when you are staying over here, you can choose either of the three. Depending on your preference, you have to book the table. So you can enjoy different kinds of meals, whatever is your preference and experience needed. So guys, now you can see that's the Vaidyashala Ayurvedic Spa. You can see here. You can take amazing spa treatments over here. It's one of the best experiences. And guys, this is the prayer room, the chapel over here. Look at the beauty. It's a very traditional, ancient save. Also, here you can see a lot and lots of plantain leaf. Yeah. So now we are going to the Plantain Leaf Restaurant. Look at the beautiful road over here. So this is the Plantain Leaf Restaurant. You can see, guys, it's very beautiful. I'll give you the tour of the restaurant. Plantain Leaf. It has a nice breakfast spread of all the South Indian dishes. There's some basic fruits and juices also. Kadla curry puttu from Kerala, idli, podi idli, vada, sambar, chutneys, dosas. It's a very authentic style of restaurant. You can see. Also, they have a very nice sitting arrangement. Here is the Peppercorn restaurant, guys. You can see. So here you get 6-course set meal. It's a very beautiful. This is also within the nature, but you need to pre-book your table for the dinners over here, Peppercorn restaurant. And you can have a proper 6-course meal over here. Do you mind if I take a video? So here you can see it's a properly set meal restaurant for the meals. It's by the lake. It's very beautiful. You can also have them requested on the tables over there by the lake for special requests they have over there. You serve lunch and dinner both over here? Okay. Guys, you can have lunch and dinner both pre-booked over here for a 6-course meal. And also you can, on special request, have a table by the lake over there. You can see. It's a very beautiful spot. This is their man-made lake. So you can come here, sit by the lake. Also take some nice photographs all around the property. Here, there are villas over there also, you can see. So yeah, you can also ask them to set a bonfire over here. It's by the Peppercorn restaurant. Evolve Back Coorg Resort tour will be continued in part 3, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Riddhi Nagda, and also hit the bell icon. Until then, stay tuned for more such videos. Goodbye. Thank you.